In today's video, we dive into the inspiring story of Rushell Clayton, Jamaica's 400-meter hurdle sensation. We'll explore her journey from early setbacks to her recent personal bests. As she eyes the record set by Melaine Walker, this season could be her moment to shine. With the 2024 Paris Olympics on the horizon, can Rushell Clayton secure her place on the podium and make history? Stay tuned to find out how Rushell's incredible journey could lead to a groundbreaking performance in Paris. Watch till the end to find out, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more thrilling track and field stories. Jamaica's Deon Hemmings stands as a trailblazer for women in Caribbean hurdling. Her historic achievement as the first Caribbean woman to earn a major championship medal in the 400-meter hurdles with a bronze at the 1995 Gothenburg World Championship set the stage for future successes. After that experience, she became the Olympic champion a year later in Atlanta. Deon Hemmings' success paved the way for athletes such as Josanne Lucas of Trinidad and Tobago to become World Championship medalists, along with Jamaica's Melaine Walker, Ristanana Tracy, and Rushell Clayton to achieve a similar feat. Of the athletes mentioned, Melaine Walker has been the most successful. She became the first woman since Sally Gunnell of Great Britain to win both the Olympic and World Championship titles in the event. Melaine Walker won at the 2008 Beijing Olympics and at the 2009 Berlin World Championship. The 400-meter hurdles can be one of the most tedious events in track and field, which makes many athletes not want to compete because of how tedious it can become. Since Melaine Walker became the last Caribbean woman to mount the podium at a major championship with her silver medal effort at the 2011 Daegu World Championship, the Caribbean women seem to have fallen off. However, 6 years later, at the 2017 London World Championship, Ristanana Tracy earned bronze in quite a competitive race. This saw things looking a bit better as 2 years later, Rushell Clayton came onto the scene by taking bronze in the event at the Doha World Championship. Rushell Clayton looked to have become the third Caribbean woman to earn a medal in the event at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics, but injuries and a coaching change prevented that from happening. A year later, she made the 400-meter hurdles final at the Eugene World Championship with a then personal best of 53.63 seconds. The final was quite competitive, as it was won in a world record time of 50.68 seconds by Sydney McLaughlin-Leverny of the United States, and Rushell Clayton finished 6th with 54.36 seconds. This performance could only make her more determined to return to the medal stand as she ran 53.81 seconds to make the team for the 2023 Budapest World Championship. Based on her performances throughout the season, Rushell Clayton was in personal best shape, but it was for her to strike at the right time at the World Championship. Throughout the rounds at the World Championship, Rushell Clayton looked comfortable and showed that she meant business by winning both her heat and semi-final. The final came, and Rushell Clayton was in lane 8, which meant that she could only see Anna Cockrell of the United States, who was ahead of her in lane 9. Rushell Clayton tried her best to navigate the race from that lane and managed to run her heart out in the last 100 meters to cross the line in a personal best of 52.81 seconds, making it the first time that she dipped below the 53-second barrier. This performance also made her the third fastest Jamaican woman in the event, behind Kelly Spencer and Melaine Walker. Since Melaine Walker's 2008 Beijing Olympic gold medal, no Caribbean woman has mounted the podium in the 400-meter hurdles at the Olympics. Rushell Clayton has stated on several occasions that one of her goals this season is to break Melaine Walker's Jamaica national record of 52.42 seconds done at the 2009 Berlin World Championship. So far in this 2024 season, she ran 53.72 seconds and 53.98 seconds to prove that she is indeed in the best shape of her life. Do you think Rushell Clayton will break Melaine Walker's national record this season? And will she secure a medal at the Paris Olympics? Share your thoughts and predictions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please share it, give it a like, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss any updates as we approach the 2024 Paris Olympics. We are your one-stop for everything Caribbean athletes. Your support helps us bring you more inspiring stories and exclusive insights. See you in the next video.